WhatsApp is one such messaging platform that keeps launching new features to make the instant messaging platform friendly for users. Now, the Meta-owned WhatsApp is back again with yet another feature update. According to a blog post on WhatsApp Beta Info, WhatsApp just unveiled a new feature for the beta version of the WhatsApp program for Microsoft Windows that will allow contact sharing. It is only available for a few beta testers, and for others, it is expected to come out really soon. The entry point contact, as seen in the screenshot, will appear if the functionality is already turned on for your WhatsApp account for the Windows Beta app. This contact card feature is already available in the WhatsApp Beta for Windows 2.2247.2.0 update, which is accessible from the Microsoft Store, and it will soon be made generally available to all the other beta users. A contact card can be shared via the contact card feature, making it simple for the receiver to add it directly to their address book. In a report published by a WhatsApp Beta Info, which included some screenshots showcasing new and impending WhatsApp updates and capabilities, it was revealed that WhatsApp will also introduce call history tracing within WhatsApp Web. Since this app is a beta version, the call history may not immediately be in sync with one of your mobile devices. This will be end-to-end encrypted and will be available for group and individual chats and both. WhatsApp recently added an option to create polls within chats, which are found in a separate icon near the chat, and now easy sharing and addition of contacts. But the positioning of this feature is still not confirmed. Well, we are excited about all the upcoming features and updates that WhatsApp is coming up with. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.